Tama bang kasuhan si Jam Villanueva sa paglabas ng mga konvo ni Maris Racal at Anthony Jennings? Number 1 trending topic ang mga resibo na ikinalat ni Jam Villanueva sa umano'y cheating ni Maris Racal at Anthony Jennings. Ang mga fans ng tambalang Maris at Anthony ay galit at sinabing dapat daw makasuhan si Jam sa ginawa nito. Narito ang buong detalye.
You are watching Showbiz Ganap Global.
Sa naging interview ni Anthony Jennings noong MediaCon ng bagong serye nito na Incognito, ay nabanggit at nilinaw niya na hiwalay na sila ng kanyang partner for 7 years na si Jam Villanueva. Nabanggit rin niya na friends lamang daw sila ni Maris Racal kaya hindi dapat ito madamay sa isyu ng kanilang hiwalayan. Matapos ang naging statement na ito ni Anthony ay hindi na napigilan pa ng kanyang ex-girlfriend na once and for all ay ilabas na ang mga resibo ng katotohanan patungkol sa dahilan ng kanilang hiwalayan. Naglabas ng maraming screenshots itong si Jam ng mga malaranding conversation between Maris at Anthony. Sa mga kumalat na screenshots ay malinaw na may mga intimate moments na namagitan sa dalawa. Napatunayan pa ito ng mga litrato kung saan makikitang naghalikan sina Anthony at Maris. Naniniwala ka pa rin ba na friends lang sila? O mas dapat bang tawaging friends with benefit? O bakit hindi na lang kaya aminin ng dalawa na sila na? Well, choice nila yon. Bago pa man sumabog si Jam at ikalat ang mga ebidensyang meron siya ay nagmakaawa pa si Anthony sa kanya na huwag niyang gawin ang mga bagay na binabalak niyang gawin upang siraan si Maris. Nakiusap pa ito na kahit siya na lamang daw ang siraan ni Jam, huwag lang si Maris. Sinubukan naman itong gawin ni Jam. Ilang buwan din siyang nanahimik magmula nang pumatok ang chismis na may namamagitan kay Maris at Anthony. Ngunit dahil sa mga pangbabash na natanggap ni Jam mula sa mga fans ng dalawa, na ultimo pamilya na raw ni Jam ay nadadamay na, pinili lang itong ilabas ang matagal na niyang tinatagong katotohanan. Samantala, bagamat si Jam Villanueva ay biktima ng pangloloko, posible raw itong masampahan ng kaso. 2 kaso ang maaaring kaharapin ni Jam, isang cyber libel at violation of data privacy. Bakit nga ba siya posibleng makasuhan? Ayon sa statement na nilabas ni Attorney Georgie Alonso na isang film and TV producer and lawyer, assuming that all the screenshots are legit, the fact remains that Maris and Anthony have committed no crime. Their actions may be regarded as morally wrong, but they were never married to their respective partners. Jamela, on the other hand, may have committed at least 2 crimes with her actions: cyber libel and violation of data privacy. She cannot hide her actions under the guise of moving on. Yes, she may have experienced pain and betrayal, but this does not give her the license to violate the law. Malinaw na binanggit ni Attorney Alonso na walang batas na nilabag sina Maris at Anthony dahil hindi pa sila kasal sa kani-kanilang mga partners. Maaaring mali sa paningin na nakakarami ang naganap dahil isa pa rin itong maituturing na panloloko, ngunit ang paglabag sa batas para pa lamang mapatunayan na biktima ka ng isang panloloko ay isa ng malaking pagkakamali rin na may kaakibat na pananagutan sa batas. Isa pang lawyer ang nagbigay ng paglilinaw sa kasong maaaring kaharapin ni Jam. Nagbigay din ng pahayag si Attorney Jesus Falsis patungkol sa isyu na ito. Ayon sa kanyang buong statement, the legal aspects of the case of Maris Racal and Anthony Jennings, even before screenshots of text or chat messages between Maris Racal and Anthony Jennings were leaked today, many people, especially those who were cheated on, have always asked me before about the legality of posting and sharing screenshots of private conversations. I have always told them that there is such a thing called as the right to privacy. Even cheaters have human rights. The National Privacy Commission or NPC clarified in a 2020 advisory opinion that the Data Privacy Act applies to screenshots if they reveal the identities of those involved. It is worthy to note that the processing, sending out the screenshot to another person, will only come under the scope of the DPA if personal data is indeed involved. If the conversation or screenshot itself allows for the identification of the parties. If it is simply the content of the conversation, with names and other identities redacted or cropped out of the screenshot, it might not be within the scope of the DPA. So even if you are the victim of cheating, by posting screenshots of any alleged affair, not only are you exposing yourself to cyber libel charges, but also to charges for violating data privacy, which is punishable by stiffer and harsher penalties than cyber libel. And while the Supreme Court just recently said that there is no violation of the right to privacy if screenshots are used in criminal case, that is the caveat that screenshots must be used in a criminal case. So what's a girl to do? Well, you should still take screenshots as evidence of cheating or an affair, especially if you're married. Then what you should do is, instead of posting on social media, is to file a VAW or violence against women case, psychological violence caused by infidelity. And if you're a public figure or celebrity, let the media report or cover it, then you'll get the publicity you wanted anyway, without the legal liabilities for cyber libel and data privacy. When you present the screenshots as evidence in court, that's when the Supreme Court ruling will apply that taking screenshots of private conversation is not a violation of the right to privacy when used as evidence in a criminal case. What's unfortunate and what I find personally wrong in leaking the screenshots of Maris Racal and Anthony Jennings through social media is the slut-shaming of Maris Racal because of her supposed thirst trap or hungry messages. Look what statements have gone viral. 3 or 4 messages from Maris Racal and only one barely viral from Anthony Jennings about him disgustingly using method acting as justification. Cheating is bad, but so is misogyny, enabled by violating the right to privacy. Victims have human rights, but vindicating your rights should not make more victims. Even cheaters have human rights. Ayon sa paliwanag ni Atty. Fasi sa batas, kahit mali sa mata ng moralidad ang pagtataksil, hindi ito nabibigyan ng karapatan ang sinuman na lumabag sa privacy ng iba. Sa madaling salita, isang paalala na kahit na ang mga biktima ng pagtataksil ay dapat mag-ingat sa kanilang mga aksyon. Ang paghahanap ng hustisya ay dapat dumadaan sa legal na proseso at hindi lumalabag sa karapatan ng iba kahit pa sila ang nagkasala. Ikaw, anong opinion mo sa isyong ito? Mali ba na sampahan ng kaso ang gaya ni Jam Villanueva na naging biktima ng panluloko? O nararapat lamang ito dahil may human rights din ang mga nanloko at hindi nila deserve ang mapaya sa publiko? Leave your comment below.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more Showbiz Ganap Global updates.